Hey, welcome to this quick video. My name is Justin Temple, and we're going to go over the high ticket lifestyle back office tour and show you everything that you get inside of the high ticket lifestyle at all of the product levels, the bronze, the silver, the gold, and the diamond. So thank you for being on this high ticket lifestyle back office tour video. And so my name is Justin Temple. I'm actually the creator and owner of the high ticket lifestyle. And I got started in home business when I was 15 years old. I dropped out of high school at 16 years old to pursue home-based business, and I actually became a top 200 recruiter in the first company that I joined, and then the company went out of business, and so I left the industry, and then I did guru business model after guru business model, and actually did very well with having a $300 per day store. Then I actually had the shipping crisis happen in 2020, and then my supplier prices went up and my shipping times went up. So I came back to digital products like home-based business and started working really hard, and then became a top affiliate. And then what happened is these programs would change on me, change the comp plans. And so I decided to become my own program creator, and I created the high ticket lifestyle as well. So this is my second program. And so now with the high ticket lifestyle, what you're going to be able to do is be able to get paid 100% commissions directly to you using this program. So let me show you the back office real quick. Okay, so let me go to entire screen. There we go. All right, so here's the back office. So here's the start here first. And then we have step one, which is apply for your high ticket link. And then we will create your one-page funnel for you so that way you have everything in one page to get paid. And then here's our bronze product right here, our silver product training, our gold product training, and our diamond product training. Okay, we also have our upgrade buttons. We also have the diamond day trade chat right here. Okay, so that's the back office. It's really simple. We have the login page. Please bookmark this. And that's it. Okay, so when we click on one of the trainings, oh, let me log in. Okay. Your first 10K with HTL, right? We have a very simple training right here to help you market the high ticket lifestyle. And then we scroll down, we have done for you marketing material. And then we give you a bunch of keywords to make videos about. Okay. So we have very, very high quality training. And then right here is the silver level. We teach you how to day trade. Okay. So the back office is very simple. It's the left side to navigate the training in the levels, and then the middle with the training videos and the resources, and then the right to upgrade and get to the diamond chat. That's it. That's the back office tour. Okay, so it's very simple, very straightforward. And let me go back to here real quick. So when you actually get started, when you get started at bronze, that's the $500 level plus the $297 admin fee. That's going to get you access to bronze. When you join the silver level, that's the $1,500 level plus the $397 admin fee. You're going to be able to get access to the silver products, the bronze products, and you're going to be able to get $3,500 gold commissions when you join the silver level. Okay, so when you join silver, you're going to get access to silver, bronze, and gold level commissions. Okay. When you join the gold level, you're going to get gold product, silver product, and bronze product, and be able to get access to diamond level commissions. Okay. The diamond level, when you join the $5,000 diamond level, you're going to get access to the diamond day trade chat. Okay. So that's how the products work, how the upgrades work, and how the bonuses work. Okay. So it's a very simple back office. If you guys have any questions, let me know. But this is my brand new high ticket lifestyle program where you can get paid direct commissions to you of $500, $1,500, $3,500, and even $5,000. So can you imagine getting a $1,500 commission directly to your PayPal, or even $5,000 directly to you in Bitcoin? And Bitcoin goes up, guys. So get paid high ticket commissions, and then also use that to be able to buy traffic and reinvest into crypto like Bitcoin. Okay. So very important to be able to learn how to use your commissions, which is what we also teach you inside the high ticket lifestyle. So when you earn a $5,000 commission, you don't just want to go waste it on spending nights out with your friends and going to restaurants and bars. You want to actually reinvest that in the right place so that you can keep accumulating more cash flow and get wealthy, rather than always making some money and spending it, it's gone. Making some money, spending it, it's gone. Right? So being able to use the right strategies is important. Okay. So thanks for watching this high ticket lifestyle back office tour. Let me know if you have any questions about this program, and go ahead and click the link down below to visit the capture page, and then go to the highticketlifestyle.com, enter your name and email, and visit the VSL page and watch the video. Okay. Watch the entire video because it explains absolutely everything, and you can read the page if you have more questions. And then if you really have more questions, you can call the 1-800 number. We have a done for you call center where we will get you and close for you $500, $1,500, $3,500, and $5,000 commissions while you're sleeping, vacationing, or working. Okay. And so that's what's really cool is we have a built-in call center with the 1-800 number. So really, really amazing system. You get paid in PayPal, Cash App, Wise, Venmo, Zelle, Cash App, Money Order, Bitcoin, gold, silver, however you want. That's all of them. I said them all. Okay. So really, really powerful. Okay. And this is what's going to allow you, see, all these, everyone's always worried about these little programs, these little, making pennies a month, right? Well, we need a program that's going to allow us to make one commission and reinvest that commission in the right way with the right strategies to be able to turn one commission into more cash flow. Okay. So what we teach you is, imagine you get a $5,000 commission, right, directly to you. Well, you take that $5,000 commission and you use your own Coinbase account, no leverage, and you use $5,000 to use simple Bitcoin trades, and you make 1% on each trade, right? And let's say you use $5,000, you use one of your $5,000 commissions, and you make $50 a day on that $5,000, which is 1%. Let's say you only do 3 trades, 50, 50, 50. That's 1% on your 5,000. That's $150 extra. You can use that to go buy traffic, right? And you still got your $5,000. And you can still make more money with the $5,000. So that's what we teach you in this program, is one sale can change your life. Imagine, let's say you get a $3,500 sale. Well, now you're making 1% on that, which is $35. 35, 35, 35, 35. I'm not sure exactly what that adds up to. 115, 110, 115, maybe 105. So that, and then you get one more 35, right? That's a traffic package. Go buy traffic. So if you get like 5 trades at 3,500, right? 1%, that's a traffic package. Really simple. So you really want to use one commission, put it into the market, and master how to day trade with no leverage. Okay. So that way, what does no leverage mean? No leverage means if the market drops, you still own your coins and you never lose anything. Okay. You never lose anything. And then you can put it on your hard wallet to make sure that it's really safe. Okay. But when you day trade, never use leverage. So that way, if the market goes down, you still own your coin, right? So that way you just wait for the market to go back up. Real simple. So that's how we use one commission in the high ticket lifestyle to transform your life. Because if you get one commission, you don't need hundreds of thousands of team members, thousands of team members, hundreds of team members, tens of team members. You get like 4 or 5 people at the $500 level. That's like $2,000 to go day trade. Boom. Now you're like, no more network marketing. I'm just going to day trade for my traffic profits and buy traffic from that now. So like a lot of people, they get stuck in this grind. Like they get stuck in this, like, always, I got to build a team of 1 million people. I got to build a left leg and a right leg of 10,000 people each. It's like, the fuck? It's like, are you for real? Come on. Just go ahead and get one sale. Just get one sale. Use that strategically in the market. And at the diamond level, I teach you, I actually give you my day trades and I watch the market for you. So that way it's really easy for you. So that's how you change your life in one sale, right? One sale. So everyone's trying to get 10,000 people on their team to make, $100 a month, right? Everyone's worried about building a huge downline. What if you just got one sale, use that sale to day trade Bitcoin at no leverage and make 1% trades and just do a few trades a month? And now you use that profit to buy traffic. And now just from one sale, went from one organic sale, you got money in capital to day trade. And now you're using the profits from day trading to buy traffic to get more commissions. Now you don't have to work hard. The high ticket lifestyle is like the most not work hard program ever. You get one sale, 100% commissions. You go day trade with it. I teach you how. And if you're at the diamond level, I give you my trades. And we make 1% on our trades. And we don't have to get a bunch of sales. Then we just buy traffic with our day trading profits. And now we're getting sales just from one sale. Imagine turning one sale into your entire wealth. Imagine that, right? Isn't that awesome? Because you get a $1,500 sale, $3,500 sale, $5,000 sale, right? You can really use that in the right way. Okay. Let's say you get a $1,500 sale, right? Well, that means if you do 1% a day, that's $15, right? That's $15 a day. 15, right? So let's say we want to make $150, $150 to buy traffic. Let's say we make $15 a day, or $15 a trade for the month. We only need to do 10 trades. So if you get a $1,500 sale, 1,500, only 10 trades at 1% profit per trade, only 1%. Now you buy traffic from that profit, and boom. So one sale, 10 trades at 1,500. You're in the like, one sale gets you in the wealth, and literally you don't have to get a bunch of sales. Okay. So that's what's really powerful about this. Now, let's say you join at the $500 level. Okay. Well, that means you're going to make 1%, which is $5. Well, $150 divided by 5 would be 30. So if you do 1% trade on $500 every day, that's 30 trades, which will make you $150, and you use that profit to buy traffic, and hopefully you can get a sale from that. And now obviously we can do organic marketing, right? But let's say you get one sale from your traffic buy. Well, now let's say you get another $500 sale. Let's just say the minimum. Well, now you got $1,000 to day trade with, right? So every commission you get, you can add into your day trading budget, and now you're making 1% a day on that. So now you're making $10 a day and more, and so on. So even if you are only get started at the basic bronze level for $500, you can still change your life on one 100% commission in this program, because we're going to show you how to take your first commission, whether it's $500, $1,500, $3,500, or $5,000, and use that to make 1% trades every day in the market on your own Coinbase account. On your own Coinbase account, you hold your money, never send your money anywhere, and never use leverage. And even if you do the $500 level and you make your first $500 commission, you day trade that at 1% per day. That's $150 per month. You use that to buy traffic. Now you're making more commissions from your traffic. And then the next month you can make another 150 potentially from trading, right? So it's a cycle. Okay. It's a cycle. Now you can obviously use your first commissions for traffic in the beginning, right? Maybe you want to use your first $2,000 in traffic, right? To really get that list going. That's fine. You're more than welcome to do that. There's no rule to say that what you have to do, right? But I'm just showing you and explaining to you that if you do make big capital, like $1,500, $3,500, $5,000 per sale, you may as well strategically do something simple to make more money with that. That's way, when I say easier, I mean, it's a lot easier to put a trade in and set it to sell than it is to get someone to pull out their credit card and buy. Okay. It's a lot easier to just wait for the market to go like this and then buy, and then wait for the market to go like that and have it sell, and then maybe the market drops or whatever, right? So it's way easier to do that than it is to build a funnel, emails, convince people to buy, phone call, whatever, right? Videos. So there's no guarantee of sales, but the market goes like this. So as long as you know what you're doing with no leverage, it's actually more safe to buy Bitcoin and do some safe crypto trades at no leverage on Coinbase. You just wait for the market to drop like I show you. Okay, very simple. So anyways, thanks for watching this high ticket lifestyle back office tour. We did a back office tour at the beginning of the video. And if you have any questions, let me know. But my number is 480-582-4372. And I'm the owner and creator of the High Ticket Lifestyle. And we are doing a little pre-launch today on July 3rd and launching tomorrow, July 4th. So if you have any questions, let me know. And we are looking for our very first members. So you are welcome to be one of the very first movers in this program. And it is a very high quality, high ticket program that you can be proud of and feel great about, because a lot of high ticket programs that I've joined, they just don't have good products or trainings or systems. Okay. Maybe they got good products, but they don't have good systems. Maybe they have good systems, but not good products. Well, the high ticket lifestyle is both. Okay. We have a great system and great products that you can feel great about and actually want to promote. Okay. So make sure to get started. Click the link down below or scan the QR code, and we will see you on the inside of the High Ticket Lifestyle. Okay. Thank you so much, my friend. And I'm here to help you every day. And if you have any questions, let me know. All right. I'm always available. And I'd rather talk to you than not talk to you. All right. So have a wonderful day. Click the link down below. If you're on YouTube, if you're on Facebook, click the link up above in the Facebook description. And if you want to scan the QR code, you can scan the QR code right